Okay, so it went back into safety in front of me, right? And the gas pressure did not happen. There was no gas pressure. It wasn't that 2 inches. So you see it's missing because now I moved it over here to this side because I want to check the initial gas pressure. Now, if it goes into safety and this thing stays the same, you're the problem. Not you, but you. Yeah, you the problem. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, actuator. I got you. Hold up. So, like, look, I have this valve closed. I open it. Boom. It gives us our 6. 7. I'll round it out. Here you go, 7. We'll round it out. Okay, so now, let's see what happens. It's climbing. Let's see what happens. Is this tripped? No, it's not tripped. Let's see what happens. We gotta wait for it to go back into safety. We got power.